Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. For today, I've prepared a simple tutorial for all new Instagram users. Did you know that you can share your post or posts from other Instagram users to your story? I'll show you exactly how to do that today. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app. Then find the post you want to share. I'll share a post from my profile. Open the post. Below it, there's a share arrow. Click on it. In the bottom bar, you'll see different icons. Scroll to the left and press Add to Story. Now you can adjust the size and position of the post. Additionally, you can add other details. I'll add some text. Finally, click on your story to share the story. Here's how it looks. I hope you found this tutorial useful. For more digital tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel.